Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Хотел бы показать вам душик в Индиане, Goshen, город. Классный shower. This is Goshen, Indiana, truck stop. Very nice shower, brand new building. If you guys are gonna have a chance to pass by this way, please, you guys want to check it out. It's pretty good. Just want to let you know. Nice new showers. I've been to North Carolina. You can see it on my channel. That's a really ugly one. But this one is new. Very nice showers. It's the first time I've been in one like that. On a truck stop. It's $10. Brand new. Water running from the ceiling. It's so cool. Check it out. That's cool. And over here too. Right there. It's pretty cool. So, if you guys are gonna have a chance to check it out, stop by, take a shower. It's a very nice shower. Yeah, restroom, trash cans. Right there. Receipt. $10. There's right there directions if you need them. Here we go. Alright, you guys have a good one. Take care. Stay cool and clean. Bye bye.